Okay, so they've got a board ready to go. To cap the end of the cement. And we've got a pile of lumber over there for the purpose. Oh, we got another one here. everybody's in the act. Yeah, it's almost 5 o'clock. But they're not going to stop until they get it done perfectly. That's the way they are. Okay, I'll be back. A little bit more. Almost the end of the day.